Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding School of Public Health, AIIMS Jodhpur, School of Public Health, All India Institute of Medical Sciences Jodhpur, SPH AIIMS Jodhpur. And in this video, information regarding AIIMS Jodhpur, Master of Public Health program at School of Public Health, AIIMS Jodhpur. So I will give you information regarding Master of Public Health program at School of Public Health AIIMS Jodhpur. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other competitive exams like ICMR Bhubaneswar, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, Common University Entrant Test CUT PG 2025, JIPMAP Puducherry, Nimhans, Bangalore, Kaloji Narayana University of Health Sciences, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Christian Medical College, Vellore, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, Jaipur, and 4 other university and institutes which conduct MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So in this video I will give you information regarding AIIMS School of Public Health, AIIMS Jodhpur, School of Public Health, All India Institute of Medical Sciences Jodhpur, SPH AIIMS Jodhpur. This is prospectus for MPH course January 2024, and for January 2025 registration may start soon. For January 2024 session, that is last year session, registration got started on 20th September 2023. And last date for online registration was 19th October 2023. Date of entrance test was November 2023. So for 2025 session, registration may start till 15th October 2024. So till 15th October 2024, registration may start for AIIMS Jodhpur 2025 batch, January 2025 batch. So in this video, information regarding AIIMS Jodhpur Master of Public Health program at School of Public Health AIIMS Jodhpur will be given. The Master of Public Health program at School of Public Health SPH All India Institute of Medical Sciences Jodhpur is a full-time residential program with 50 credits hour spread over a duration of 2 years. The course encompasses modules ranging from basic courses such as epidemiology, biostatistics, health economics, program management to advanced courses such as global and international health, demography and population sciences, health financing, legislations and policy and politics. To make the learning more interactive, the institution employs a wide variety of pedagogical methods such as field exposure training modules from CDC, that is Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and WHO, that is World Health Organization, and peer discussion sessions. The scholars are taught by experienced faculty from School of Public Health, in-house faculty from different departments at AIIMS Jodhpur, and visiting faculty from India and abroad who have proven their mettle in the field of public health research and practice through years of experience in the field. Besides the on-site training, students also get opportunity of posting at state health departments, various institutions of national importance, renewed developmental agencies and civil society organizations for their observerships and internship posting. The department provides mentorship and encourage the MPH scholars to present research findings at various scientific platforms throughout the duration of the course. SPH aims Jodhpur boasts an excellent placement ratio wherein our students have acquired prominent position at institutions of national importance, research and academic institutions and development agencies across the country. Course credit scheme, serial number, program credit, 1 credit equal to 30 hours. First is core modules, theory and practical work in total 4 semesters, credit 32. Second, field placement internship, credit 10. Third, academic project, credit 5. Fourth, elective modules, credit 3, total 50 credits. And for number of seats, so educational qualification, number of seats, eligible candidate, essential qualification seats. For medical, essential qualification is MBBS or BDS or IUS, alternative system of medicine in India degree, seats is 10. For non-medical, essential qualification, bachelor degree in nursing, veterinary sciences, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, engineering, BE, BTech with minimum 55% marks, master degree, MA, MSc with minimum 50% marks in nutrition, pharmacology, pharmacy, agriculture sciences, social sciences or any other science degree. Number of seats 4. For sponsored MBBS, BDS, IUS, health sciences degree with 3 years experience, number of seats 6. Total number of seats are 20. So for medical and non-medical, both category students can apply. So this is tentative dates according to 2024 batch. For 2025 session, registration may start till 15th October 2024. And this is eligibility criteria in admission process. Admission to the course, admission to the new batch of Master of Public Health will commence from January 2024. So this is according to last year prospectus. Every year admissions commence from January to January. The admission to the course imparted at the institute is made on merit on all India basis by holding an entrance examination by the institute after issuing a countrywide admission notice. The admission notice is published in leading national newspapers of India. Duration of MPH course, full-time 2 years course. Method of selection through entrance examination only. The candidate would be selected for admission to the MPH program on the basis of written entrance test. Course fee Indian national rupees 1,40,000 for a period of 2 years, 35,000 per semester, 4 semesters. International candidate $3,000. Instructions for sponsored deputed candidates. A candidate applying for admission as a sponsored deputed candidate is required to furnish the following certificate from his or her employer for admission to the course. First, that the candidate concerned is a permanent or regular employee of the government department, institute, medical college, the deputing sponsored authority for the last 3 years as on 31st of December. That no financial implication in the form of emoluments, stipend, etc. will develop upon AIIMS Jodhpur during the entire period of his or her course. Such payment will be the responsibility of the sponsoring deputing authority. Note: deputation sponsorship from private nursing homes shall not be accepted. Accommodation facility. Accommodation will be provided subject to availability of rooms in the hostel. These are our general information. So this information is according to the last year prospectus, and address is MPH program, School of Public Health, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Basni 2, Jodhpur, Rajasthan 342005. Email sph@aiimsjodhpur.edu.in. Phone number 2912740741, extension 3203. Academic Head, School of Public Health, Dr. Pankaj Bhardwaj. Course Coordinator, Dr. Manoj Kumar Gupta, Dr. Varuna Vyas. So this information is according to last year prospectus of AIIMS Jodhpur. So in this video, information regarding AIIMS Jodhpur Master of Public Health program has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.